In today's video we are going to cover 7 ways to reprogram your subconscious mind. We often talk about reprogramming our minds as though it's a computer hard drive that can be wiped clean instantly and installed with new state-of-the-art software. If only that were the case, life would be wonderful. In reality, reprogramming your subconscious mind will require effort and time. Since we are creatures of habit, it will take a while to break old patterns of thinking and replace them with newer, more positive ones. There are several effective ways to go about this process. Let's take a look at 7 ways that have been proven to work. 1. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being aware of how you think and act at all times. 2. Cutting out toxic people. This may be surprising. What does eliminating toxic people from your life have to do with your subconscious mind? The truth of the matter is that the people around you can affect the way you think and feel. 3. Watching what you mentally consume. The TV shows you watch, the books you read, the news you devour, the music you listen to and so on, have a direct impact on how you think. It's imperative that you feed your mind positive information so that your life is a positive reflection of your thoughts. 4. Self-reflection. There's immeasurable power in self-reflection. Look back on how your life has turned out and see if it was your thoughts and actions that got you there. What did you do wrong? 5. Small habits. A change in bad habits will transform your life. Don't aim to make massive changes. Just try to incorporate small positive changes in your life every single day and keep them going. 6. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. It's impossible to be negative if you're constantly grateful for all that you have. Strive to adopt an attitude of gratitude. Be thankful for all the countless blessings that you have, and more will be showered upon you. 7. Focus on the now instead of the how. Very often, when we desire something, we think of how we can achieve it. This can place limitations on your subconscious mind because our conscious mind does not know everything. What you should do is focus on acting as if whatever you want is already yours. By adopting these 7 methods, you'll not only reprogram your subconscious mind, but you'll elevate your thought patterns and attract whatever you want more easily. We have a more in-depth version of this video over on our blog. It gives you more detail on every one of the 7 ways to reprogram your subconscious mind. If you like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Click the link below this video to read the whole article.